Hi, my name is Daniela León Cornejo. I have a career in pricing and revenue management, designing and implementing pricing strategies across multiple industries. I have a demonstrated track record of driving successful organizational change, enabling companies to outperform competitors in challenging market conditions, and driving top-line growth and profitability. Here are 3 tips on which you need to focus to maximize the value that you get from your data. Most importantly, these tips will allow you to maximize your profits by transforming the way of making decisions in your organization. The first one is insights are not in the averages. Go deep. So many times I've seen organizations lose critical insights by focusing on averages. The real value lies in granular analysis. Start by validating theoretical trends you would expect to happen. For instance, in the financial industries, you can match variables like risk and profitability, or the size of the ticket and the profitability. Also, always compare real output to expected outcomes. On a granular level, this accountability exercise is key. Many times, organizations miss opportunities to learn because they fail to measure against what they originally projected to happen. When you find this mismatch between what you were expecting to happen and what is happening in the real life, then you can find more opportunities to get more value from your business. The second one is create KPIs that guide you to the right focus. KPIs are your compass, but only if they are designed to ask the right questions. Most organizations look at their data that confirms their assumptions. Instead, you need to focus on the prove you wrong data. This approach often uncovers new opportunities. So instead of looking what makes you feel better and what tells you what you were expecting to get from the data, you need to look at what is more uncomfortable but can guide you through more value from your business. For example, in a case I worked on, we found a huge untapped opportunity in lower income client segments by analyzing data differently. What we thought was a saturated market turned out to be an area of immense potential. What we did is that we took the whole market, we understood what was the market share in there, then we understood what part of that market share was it that we were supposed to get, that was called like the fair market share of the market. And from that fair market share, that is the market share that you should have according to your potential, according to your supply, according to the type of clients that you usually have, then we contrasted that with the real market share, and then we knew in what parts of the market we were underperforming and we needed to make changes. And that led to a huge change in our management that allowed us to get a lot more value from the business. The third one is treat data as the powerful asset it is. Data is your organizational most valuable tool, but only if you know how to use it. Think about the sources of data you already have and how you can leverage them better. Sometimes, even less structured data like competitor quotes can provide a significant edge if stored and analyzed properly. And if you don't have the data, build it. Many companies are now investing in understanding their clients' value perception. For example, there can be done several analyses like conjoint, where you can understand what's the perception of value of the different parts of your product or service, so you can get some utils from that and understand what's the reaction or what's the relationship that the client has with each part of your full product. Then you can transform that into a value perception, and then you can price that properly. This is critical because you cannot capture value that isn't perceived by your clients. Willingness to pay is directly tied to this perception, and data can help you understand it deeply. In conclusion, if you want to drive transformative revenue growth, you need to focus on 3 things. The first one, work with your data at a granular level to uncover hidden insights. Second one, use KPIs to challenge your assumptions and guide your strategy. And the third one, treat data as the powerful tool it is to build competitive advantage, even creating new data when necessary. Data-driven decisions will redefine the way your organization competes and thrives.